All right, so this is problem 11.1.67, and the problem is stating if two distinct numbers are chosen randomly from this set right here, we want to find the probability that they will be the slopes of two perpendicular lines. So the first thing that we have to know is the slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. And so we want to actually be able to identify how many of these pairs would have slopes that are perpendicular lines, indicating perpendicular lines. Okay, so I noticed that the -4 and the 1/4 are opposite reciprocals, and so that would be one pair. And the -7/4 and the 4/7 are opposite reciprocals, so that's a second pair. And the -1/5 and the 5 would be a third pair of opposite reciprocal slopes. Okay. So there's actually three possibilities here. And remember, when we're doing a probability, we're always looking at the desired outcome over the total number of ways, total possible ways to get an outcome. Okay. So our desired outcome here, there's actually just three ways. We have three different pairs that give us slopes of perpendicular lines. And then we need to calculate the total. So what I'm going to look at for the total is we're looking at any pairing for the total. So we need to see how many we have here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 elements. So what I'm looking at is a combination of 7 things taken 2 at a time. This combination will count the possible number of pairings between these 7 elements. And that's in no particular order. And so then if we do this calculation, the combination of 7 things taken 2 at a time is going to be 21. And if we reduce 3 over 21, we're just going to get 1/7.